Hello, everybody. This is Brandon Reacts TV, and today I'll be reacting to another Woody Woodpecker cartoon. This one is going to be Bats in the Belfry from 1960. So, yeah, let's get into it.
Guess who?
Woody. Oh, that's a nice place. It's a castle, isn't it? Wow.
A few simple tests and we
He looks
discovered the
very
trouble,
sick.
Herr Colonel. Ah, the color of the face.
Right, it's green.
That's good.
It's good. No, it's
Now
not.
we test for vibration.
For vibrations, okay. Oh yeah, so I guess that's good too.
Good.
Good,
Now
okay.
the heart.
The heart. Let's hear the heart. Oh, is that normal? Look at a drum. He has a drum in there.
Cool, man. He's
Oh,
way
man.
out there.
He's way out there. Wow. There's something wrong with him, doctor. There's something wrong with him. And then that doctor looks like if Wally Walrus was a human. That's what he looks like. But, oh, okay, so it's the bell. The bell. So that's
Well,
what.
it's the cause of the trouble.
That's
Herr
the cause of
Colonel.
the trouble.
You are
Okay.
allergic to noise.
What? Allergic to noise?
Now, Jeeves, the Colonel must have absolute quiet.
Okay.
Remember, no noise.
No noise.
Right, Doctor.
Okay.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Oh, that noise! You made all the noise, sir! You made all the noise! That's a lot of noise there! You
Remember, no noise.
Sir, you made all the noise! What are you talking about? Just stop it. He's like, shh, remember, no noise. It's your fault, sir. It's your fault there was noise. What are you talking about? Oh, Woody! He's gonna make a lot of noise. Oh, this poor man! This poor man, I feel bad for him. The way he's just...
Bastard Woodpecker.
Right. The way he's just floating in the air like that.
This will stop your bloomin' noise.
You blow me noise.
Take your bloomin' self out of here.
Okay, you kicked him. Oh, right. You shouldn't have done that, sir. You should have just, been nice to him. Maybe he would have let you off easy. But he's gonna get you back. He's gonna get you back, and you're gonna deserve it. I'm gonna go back a bit.
Be off.
That's a fine way to treat a fine feathered friend.
Right.
Register a complaint.
Right, register a complaint. That's no way to treat a fine feathered
We'll
friend.
see about this.
Do not ring bell. Oh,
Here now, matey.
matey.
Me master, he starts a trembling at the slightest sound.
Right.
Bells make him all jittery.
Okay,
like.
you could have just told him
So
that to
if
begin
you
with.
Don't mind. Don't make any more
You're
blooming noise.
making a lot of noise, sir. You're screaming. You kicked him. You made
He
noise
did
there.
it again.
He did it
I'm
again.
gonna phone the colonel about this.
Phone the colonel about it. Yes.
Operator, give me the colonel's family seat, please.
Oh no, but he's the colonel.
Colonel
People keep-
Blueblot's residence.
Colonel what? But yeah. I mean, I respect that he put the plungers on his ears, right? Right, because he is the colonel, right? So it's like, Woody, right? If I didn't complain, he's making more noise. Like that's the whole point. They don't want noise, right? Wow, I'm gonna go back.
Colonel Blueblot's residence.
Blowblots. Oh, get that? Oh,
See how.
let me help. That's enough noise. Ooh. Oh, he's gonna let you have it.
Sir?
No! There you go. That answers your question right there. There you go. He was gonna let you have it. Oh, it's gonna make noise. Oh, like you can't stop the bell from.
Confounded. Don't ever let that bell ring again,
I mean,
or you will
what can
be
he do?
found!
Oh, okay. I mean, I feel bad for him because how are you gonna stop the bell? It's like, I mean, I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Wow. And at that point, I would quit. Like, I'm not stopping the bell from making noise. Ah! What?
Yo,
Yo,
Daisy!
The fuming bell!
the blackened bell. That's how are you gonna stop the bell, sir? You should have brought a pillow or something. I mean, what are you gonna use? You're gonna use yourself to block the sound of the bell. You're gonna have to use yourself. It's gonna hit you. You get, that's what you get. Like I said, you should have brought a pillow. Or a helmet.
Yo, Daisy!
Yeah. Woody. Woody's getting you back. He's getting you back, and you deserve that, sir. There you go. Ah. Hey, oh, you can do that. You can do that. Okay, good, good. All right. Oh, you threw it at I thought you threw it at the bell. Oh, that's what he gets. That's what he gets. He brought a bigger one. He's like, oh, you're going to take that one? I'll show you a lesson. I'll get a bigger one and boom. Right through the floor. All right, all right. Yeah, but at first when he threw it, I thought it was gonna hit the bell. So I thought like you're still gonna make noise, but it didn't. But wow, oh, that's gotta hurt. Okay, Woody, what are you gonna do? Oh, there's a lot of noise. There's a lot of noise there. You're gonna have to live in there at that point, sir. Right. Well, yeah, I guess you're fired.
Blasted bell!
Yeah, I guess you're fired. Oh.
You bloomin' pesky
You
termite!
pesky termite! What he's gonna get you? He's gonna get you! Oh! There you go! Oh! Boom! It's still hitting the bell! That would! So if it's not the actual, the little, that little mechanical guy hitting him, it's Woody, making noise. That's what you get. Like I told him he was gonna regret doing that to Woody. Like the thing is, you could have just told him from the very beginning, been nice to him. Like this is a problem, my master doesn't want any noise, right? He's allergic to noise or whatever, right? And maybe Woody would have. He would have went away, but no, that's what you get. I'm getting you on the head. You deserve that. All of that. Oh, there you go. He's on vacation.
Oh, mein Herr Colonel, you have
My
made
Herr
a good
Colonel.
recovery, yeah? Righto, and you're
Okay.
just in time for a spot of tea.
Okay.
Jeeves! You
Where's
may
Jeeves?
serve the tea!
Okay. Now Jeeves is not gonna want noise.
Oh, my Joe, the poor bloke is balmy.
You're balmy, sir. That was you earlier. What are you talking about? Right, poor Jeeves. Like Woody traumatized him now. Now he's scared of noise.
Ooh, that stuff is catching.
It's catching.
Yeah, what do you know?
What do you Oh, wow. The ending card got it too. Wow, it's catchy. I don't want that. I don't want that condition. That's for sure. It's wow, okay. That was really good, really good. I love that episode. Really good episode, really funny for sure. No complaints at all. So please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.